How to fix blurry iPhone camera. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix blurry iPhone camera. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So to fix a blurry iPhone camera, what you'll first need to do is make sure that your camera lenses are cleaned and clear. So to do that, use a microfiber cloth to simply remove and clean any obstructions on your lenses. So clean the lenses first, and after you've cleaned the lenses, you'll then need to remove any obstructions like iPhone cases or screen protectors. So remove both of those, and then you can open up your camera app. On your camera app, make sure that you're not zoomed in excessively. So if you're zoomed in too much, your image will get blurry. So unzoom and make sure that you focus manually by pressing on the items that you want to focus on, and doing that, your problem should get fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.